Alright, it's been a few days since we worked on this jack, but let me bring you up to date and show you what we did. We put this valve back together, painted the gear on there, and rebuilt it, put it all back together. And over here I put the O-rings that I needed in there, and I painted this. It's got 2 coats on there, and it needs a third. And this here too. So I got the pallet, or whatever they call that, the saddle I think. And right now they're getting baked on. I got them in front of the heater. So I think I also got the handles done. Let me show you them. Alright, here's the handles out here. Got them sitting out here baking in the sun, so they'll be okay. Alright, I got this pivot block here. It's, I think it's in pretty good shape because I can still see machine marks on here. I can actually feel them. So it's probably, yeah. So it's probably just the outside plates that are worn. So I'm gonna prime and paint that. And before I prime and paint this, I think these holes are okay. I'm not sure. I'm gonna check them. But before I paint that, you see this crude casting here? I'm gonna get my die grinder here. I don't know if you can see it, but that's supposed to go. It's supposed to go way up here, and then over here. It's like they didn't even care about it. Let me bring you over here and show you what it's supposed to look like. There's that other jack I have. See how raggedy that is, and see how nice and crisp that is. So we're going to mess with that. We're going to go out there with the die grinder and try and make it look a little better, and then prime them up. Alright, not perfect, but a lot better. Alright, let me show you where we're at here. I got the wheels painted, front and back, and I got the handlebar, the steering wheel, whatever you want to call that. We got this painted. Yeah, sorry about the previously, a little earlier, you know, where I was cutting this out. I didn't realize the camera was so high and you couldn't see anything I was doing with the die grinder. You know, that's the kind of stuff you don't pay attention to, you know. So hopefully you just zip right through that. But we got this block here. This is the block that the piston pushes up against. That's ready to go. Like I said, I think I showed you the saddle earlier, and that's all ready. So let me show you where we're going from here. Alright, can I have attention please? This is where we're at. These little rods here hold this saddle on. That's where the saddle goes in. And these is where most of your slop is. You know, the pin themselves are worn, and then these are all worn. This is the longer one. This goes in here, and that's just as bad. And them two holes actually go in here, and these are real bad. You know, you can actually see plenty of space there. So they go in there, and then the other half goes in here. So these are metric, but it doesn't matter. I'm gonna I got a piece of 11/16 bar here, and that's like a 16th bigger than these pins here, and it will just clean that out enough. It's, you know, it's so close, so it'll clean that. I'll drill out that hole, and drill out them holes, drill these all out, make them 11/16, and then I'll go over there to the lathe and cut these to size. And all I have to do is put this little slit in here, you know, for the retaining rings. See a little retaining ring here? Oops, sorry. Alright, yeah, that shouldn't take too long, so I'm not even going to show you that. I'll just do them and bring them back, and then maybe we'll drill these out and see where we're at. That'll get a lot of it done. Then we can proceed on. Alright, see you after I finish them pins. Alright, I got you over the load center here, and I just finished reaming out the first one, and it's pretty good. I'm happy with that. You know, there's enough play so it'll work, but not enough play that makes it sloppy. Okay. Alright, 4 more on this. Truthfully 4. Alright. Alright. Yeah, I got these 4 all reamed out, and I'm pretty happy with it. Let's see here. Look at that. Absolutely no play at all. I'm loving it. And then this top one goes in here. Okay. Absolutely no play in there either. Okay. Alright, I still have to ream this one out on both of these plates. That's the front wheel goes there, so that's nothing. That has nothing to do with this. So I got to ream this hole out and these 2 holes over here, because that sits down like that. And then this sits down inside of here. And them 2 get reamed out. And then these get hooked onto that, so. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna ream them out later. I think what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna clean this up and take it out and paint it while we still got a little daylight. It's only 3 o'clock, but alright. I should have enough so I can put a video together, give you guys something to watch. Alright, enough of this.